Hi students, today we're going to continue on with Unit 7, Module 1, and a lesson called Fruit Pizza. So some of you have probably made a fruit pizza before, or some of you may have not made a fruit pizza before. But here is my best representation of a fruit pizza. So it's a crust that has a lot of different fruit on it. So what we're trying to figure out is how many cups of fruit should I put on my pizza? It looks like Fenway doesn't want to learn the lesson today. Looks like Fenway would much rather play with her Easter egg. Sorry, Fenway, we have to learn. So once again, we're trying to figure out how many cups of fruit should I put on my pizza. So the task is to figure out, of course, how many cups of fruit each pizza needs. Based on a chart, we will start together, and then you will continue to do it independently using a variety of strategies you've learned so far during this year. So once again, we're working on division. So the first fruit that we're going to work on is blueberries. So let's say that we have a total amount of cups of fruit of blueberries of 237 cups of blueberries. And the number of pizzas that I have is 79. I want to find out how many cups of fruit could be on each pizza. When I take a look at my strategies, I know that I could do an array. I know that I could do a ratio. I know that I could do an inventive process. And I know that some of you know how to do long division. We're not going to use calculators, please, because once we get back into the classroom, that's not going to be an option. The problem with this situation is 237 divided by 79 is not necessarily an easy number to work with for an array. So I think, unless I know how to do long division, which you have not been taught how to do long division with an algorithm before, unless some of you know independently from other different rationales, I think I would use a ratio table. That would be my best strategy. So remember that my ratio is 1 to 79. That's my ratio. My goal is to get to 237. Now, I can't go by multiples of 10 because if I increase this to 10, that would come to 790, which is way over my goal of 237. So unfortunately, I'm probably going to have to go by ones. I'm going to have to go by ones. So if I increase by 2 or double, I'm going to get a total of 158. I'm close to my goal of 237, but not really that close. So let's increase it by another 1, so a total of 3. Look what I got here. 237. I know that now if I divide 237 divided by 79 using a ratio table, it equals 3 cups per each pizza. Now what you'll be doing is working on the pizza problem with more of these problems for fruit, thinking about what strategy you would use, and working to complete the table independently.